everybody, in this tutorial we're going to talk about Jobfile menu, and I will show you how to activate, edit, import, export a job file and how to clear and copy a job file. To access the Jobfile menu, we have to switch on the pump from the back of the pump. We're going to lift up the screen protector. So to access the main menu, we have to unlock the pump, and then we will select the main menu. To access the job file menu, we have to select the job file. To start with, we're going to select Edit Job File, and here we have 5 different tabs, which is Delivery Pump, Mode, Real-Time Clock and Log. Delivery tab, we can see job name, tube size, flow rate, operational mode, which is flow or batch and dose mode, and also we can see tube material. We're gonna leave the flow mode selected, and then going to the next tab, which is pump. We can select the direction of the pump, auto restart power fail, ramp time, or anti-drip. Going to the next tab, which is mode. Here, as you can see, it's a gray screen, which means that we selected in the delivery tab, we selected flow mode, but now if we select dose and batch mode and going back again to mode, we can select everything here in the mode tab. We can select mode, which is batch or dose. We can select the start delay, we can select the dose value, and we can select the pause interval. Going to real-time clock tab, because we selected batch and dose mode, we can select the real-time clock. So now if we select on, we can select the start time, we can select the day, and then we can select weekly repeat in case you like everything to be done weekly. Going to log tab, we can see control interval, remaining, job remaining time, and counter. To select all the changes made, please select the green tick button, and as we can see, we have a message which is going to ask us about calibration, but we will talk about calibration in a different tutorial. So press X. To activate the job file, please select Activate button, and then about calibration we will talk in a different tutorial. Import and export the job file, we can use those 2 buttons, and then if you like to clear the job and copy the job, please select those 2 icons at the bottom. In this tutorial we have presented the programming of a job file. For more information, please watch our other tutorials. Thank you.